Your home is the most valuable possession to you and your family. A fire can strike at any time from inside your home or from a neighbor, leaving you without a roof over your head and only the clothes on your back. That is why Lumkani offers fire cover for up to 40,000 Rand in the event that you are affected by a fire. For only 70 Rand per month, Lumkani will provide a fire alarm to warn you of fire danger in your home. In the event that your home and belongings are damaged or destroyed by fire, you'll receive insurance cover for your home and contents for up to 40,000 Rand. There's no waiting period after you have made your first payment. This cover will pay out an immediate 500 Rand cash, and your claim will be paid within 5 working days to help you rebuild and refurnish your home. You can get more information or apply on WhatsApp by dialing 082 741 2406 or call us on 087 057 5703. Remember, if you're a client and you refer family and friends, we will reward you with a month's cover. Lumkani, safer together.